Hey guys, I'm Natalie, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Samsung curved monitor. This is an LED monitor, SD590C. It is 27 inches, and this is my newest edition, and so without further ado, let's open it up. If I can do it. Alright, let's get rid of this. Woohoo! 10 years later, and a lot of foam. Isn't it a beauty? Can you tell that it's curved? It's pretty sweet. Okay, so pardon the packing peanuts here, but we have the stand. Pretty different from my other stand I've got. And then part of the charging cable here. And oh, here's the other part of the stand. Alright, so something like that. And then we also have your quick instruction guide, the rest of your power cord, HDMI, headphone. So there's all the stuff that comes with it. Do you want to see it turned on? So as you can see, this thing looks awesome. This is just my desktop background, and holy cow, it looks fabulous. I'm definitely curious to see how it'll compare with my regular flat screen Samsung monitor. But as far as looks go, it's fabulous, just fabulous. Well, if you enjoyed this content, please let me know by leaving a like, a thumbs up, or a comment, and stay tuned for more upcoming fun videos.